Hello, my name is Fayrouz Rubai.
I'm a graduate of the MIST program, Masters of Instructional Sciences and Technology at California State University, Monterey Bay. This degree is a 32-credit online instructional program. It integrates information and education technology with instructional design. It teaches design and development as well as evaluation, implementation, media design, and interactive design. Instructional design and technology are key components for improving learning and performance in numerous areas. It was a wonderful experience for me to participate in this program. I was pleased to study among such talented peers. Although I have worked in the design field for much of my career, I did not have any substantial theoretical understanding of what I was trying to accomplish. By participating in this program, I believe that I have gained a considerable amount of knowledge in the field of instructional design. Each semester the various courses offered me a broad base of knowledge in both theory and applied technology. Building on this knowledge, I was able to successfully complete my capstone project. By harnessing my passion and knowledge in graphics and design, the MIST program offered me a golden opportunity to work with the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary. I designed a support system for them to train their water quality volunteers. These volunteers test and monitor the watershed that flows into Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary. As someone deeply concerned about our environment, I was thrilled to employ my new design skills on such a worthy project. My status as a MIST graduate provides me with the chance to use my newly developed skills in a wide range of areas related to education and the environment. In closing, I would like to thank the faculty members for their hard work, dedication, patience, and support. I want to thank my friends, family, and pets for their great support. There were many occasions when I doubted that I could complete the program. My friends, many of them fellow students here at MIST, provided me the energy and guidance to keep going. Not only have I gained a rich education, I have gained a lasting circle of friends.